Mom is disappointed that her child had the nerve to get sick. Stop spending. Don't ever sleep and miss Mom's text. High school senior asks to pick out their own clothes. Mother expects instant replies or she takes away medicine. Mom takes money out of her kid's bank account for not cleaning their room. Mom needs something printed now. Mom expects kid to travel through time to clean the house.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.